Hello everyone, myself Aishwarya Dhamnekar, lecturer in Science and Humanity Department. In this lecture, I will be covering Unit 3 Applications of Differentiation. In this, first we will study rate measure, that is velocity and acceleration. Then further we will discuss tangent and normal. Okay, what do you mean by velocity? Velocity is nothing but rate of change of distance with time. So consider s as a distance and t as a time. Then ds upon dt represent as velocity. Similarly, if v is a velocity in the given time t, then dv by dt is represented as acceleration. In general, velocity v is equals to ds upon dt and acceleration a is equals to d square s upon dt square, that is nothing but dv by dt. So we will check it in the example. Find the velocity and acceleration if the equation of motion is given by s is equals to 3t square plus 2t minus 8 after 3 seconds. We have to find the velocity as well as acceleration after 3 seconds. So what they have given? S is equals to 3t square plus 2t minus 8. Given equation, differentiate with respect to t. Then wherever you are having t, put it as the given time and calculate. So S is equals to 3t square plus 2t minus 8. So differentiate it with respect to t. So you will get differentiation of 3t square is 6t and differentiation of 2t is 2 because differentiation of t will be 1 and differentiation of 8 is 0. So you are having 6t plus 2. So value of t they have given as 3. So put 6 into 3 plus 2. 6 into 3 is 18 plus 2 you will get 20. So this is nothing but velocity. Similarly, find the acceleration. What they have given now? ds upon dt is equals to 6t plus 2. Again the given term differentiate with respect to t. So d square s upon dt square is equals to differentiation of 6t is 6 and differentiation of 2 will be 0. So acceleration is equals to 6 unit per second square. Is it clear? So next example, find the velocity and acceleration of a particle moving according to the law s is equals to 5t cube minus 4t square plus 3t minus 7 after 2 seconds. So s is equals to 5t cube minus 4t square plus 3t minus 7. Again the given equation, differentiate once, put the value of t, you will get it as velocity. Similarly, differentiate it once again, put the value of t, you will be getting acceleration. So differentiate with respect to t, ds upon dt, that is nothing but velocity. So differentiation of 5t cube is 15t square minus differentiation of 4t square is 8t plus differentiation of 3t is 3 and differentiation of 7 is 0. Next, now wherever you are having t, put the value as 2. So 15 2 square minus 8 into 2 plus 3. 15 2 square is 4 minus 8 into 2 16 plus 3. So 15 into 4 is 60 minus 16 plus 3, you will be getting 47 unit per second. Again you have to find the acceleration. So given ds upon dt is 15t square minus 8t plus 3. Again differentiate it with respect to t. That is acceleration is equals to d square s upon dt square at given time 2 is equals to differentiation of 15t square is 30t, differentiation of 8t is 8 and differentiation of 3 will be 0. So value of t they have given as 2. 30 into 2 minus 8. 30 into 2 is 60 minus 8. You will be getting 52 unit per second square. So same way you will be getting the example on velocity as well as acceleration. Now further moving to the tangent and normal. The geometrical meaning of derivatives dy by dx is represented as the slope of a tangent to the curve y is equals to f of x at p of x and y. So here I have given two equations, that is one equation is for tangent and another for equation of normal. So what is the equation of tangent? Y minus y1 is equals to m in the bracket x minus x1. Similarly, you will be having equation of normal, that is y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 upon m x minus x1. So here dy by dx is nothing but m. It represents the slope of tangent. So consider first example. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equals to 2x square minus 3x minus 1 at 1 and 2. So y is equals to 2x square minus 3x minus 1. Differentiate it and substitute value of x as 1. You will be getting slope. So differentiation of 2x square is 4x and differentiation of 3x is 3 and differentiation of 1 will be 0. So value of x they have given as 1. So 4 into 1 is 4 minus 3 will be getting m as 1. Now here they have given 2 points 1 and 2, that is nothing but x1 and y1. So write equation of tangent y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. So y minus 2 is equals to m is 1 and in the bracket x minus 1. So y minus 2 is equals to 1 into x you will be getting x and 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So bring all term to RHS, that is x minus 1. Here you are having plus y. If you are shifting to another side, that become minus y, and plus 2 you will be getting as minus 2 you will be getting as plus 2 is equals to 0. So it is x minus y minus 1 plus 2, it is plus 1 is equals to 0. This is nothing but equation of tangent. Similarly, second example. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equals to 3x square plus 4x at 1 and 2. So y is equals to 3x square plus 4x. Differentiate it with respect to x. So dy by dx at 1 and 2. Differentiation of 3x square is 6x and differentiation of 4x is 4. So value of x is 1. So 6 into 1 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Then equation of tangent is given by y minus y1 is equals to m in the bracket x minus x1. Here value of x1 and y1 is 1 and 2 and m is 10. So y minus 2 is equals to 10 in the bracket x minus 1. So y minus 2 is equals to 10 into x is 10x minus 10 into 1 is minus 10. So again bring all the term to RHS, that is 10x minus 10 minus y minus 2 becomes plus 2 is equals to 0. So 10x minus y minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8 is equals to 0. Fine, this equation is nothing but equation of tangent. Next, third example for normal. Find the equation of normal to the curve y is equals to x square minus 3x plus 2 at 1 and 0. So here y is equals to x square minus 3x plus 2. Differentiate the above given equation with respect to x at the point 1 and 0. So what is differentiation of x square? 2x, and differentiation of minus 3x is 3, and differentiation of 2 will be 0. So value of x they have given us 1. So 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal, in the next step 2 minus 3 will be getting m is equals to minus 1. Then write the next line, equation of normal, that is y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 upon m x minus x1. So value of x1 is 1 and value of y1 is 0, and m you have got it as minus 1. Substitute in the given formula. Y minus 0 is equals to minus 1 divided by minus 1 x minus 1. Y minus 0 you will be getting y, and minus 1 divided by minus 1 is plus 1 in the bracket x minus 1. Y minus 0 is y, 1 into x is x, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Again bring all the term to RHS, that is x minus 1 plus y will be getting minus y is equals to 0. Rearrange the equation, that is x minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. I hope it is clear for you people. Okay, thank you.